And we know that quieting the mind is important.
Yes.
But sometimes I think we get to the point where we are sick of hearing about closing your eyes and quieting the mind, because so many of us, we cannot always get to that place.
Right.
Can you give us more explanation on maybe working with other kinds of meditation? Can we do like noise meditations or anything? And what's your input around that?
Dynamic meditation is one of the another kind of meditation, in which we can consider as a laughing meditation, jogging meditation, dancing meditation,
Okay.
So let us talk about, I think, one of them, laughing meditation, right? As soon as we laugh, our body is vibrating, and raising our frequency, and we can laugh, remember, only into the present moment awareness. We cannot laugh into the thought of the past or the future, and when we laugh, or when we smile, the whole existence wanted to connect with us. And maybe we would have seen some people cannot laugh, even if they laugh, but they are living with the mind, and mind is based on conditioning, programming, logic, reasoning. Mind is based on thought of chattering, wandering, living into the thought of the past, future, all kinds of the shit like that. So how could you laugh into the present moment awareness when we are living with the mind? So in order to go for the laughing meditation, first of all, we have to connect and celebrate this beautiful present moment awareness by let go and disconnect with the thought of the past or the future. And the second way, we have to live with the heart, because heart connect with us at the level of oneness, So when we laugh, the whole existence we are connecting with them, As I said, present exists right now. So the more we connect with the laughing meditation, what will happen? We are going to tap the power of the universe, and we can enjoy our life.
So would you say it's fair to say then people get stuck?
Yes.
So people are getting stuck in the past.
Yes.
And reliving the past. So
Yes.
that's one maybe why they can't quiet the mind.
Yes.
But if they also can let go of that,
Yes.
when we laugh, it's true, we laugh what's happening now.
Yeah.
But you do.
Yeah,
you make me want to laugh because you're talking about laughing.
Yeah.
But I'm saying we don't, I mean, we can laugh about things that have happened in the past, but we are still bringing it to the present moment and making it about now because we're reliving that memory.
Yes.
You can't laugh about something that happened, that was in the past. Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes sense. Because remember, present is connected with the past, We can watch the memories in the form of photograph, in the form of something has happened in the past, and we can laugh. But laughing is always in the present moment awareness, right? So that's what the answer. But another question, you are right. Most of the people are stuck,
in the past.
In the past, right? So therefore the depression, therefore the anxiety happens, because they are badly stuck in the past. So we have to let go of the past in order to connect with this beautiful present moment awareness, and then we can laugh, we can dance, we can smile, whatever we want.
So is it the same then that we use as kind of the tool with laughing? We find something that makes us laugh, that makes us smile, and we enhance that.
Yeah.
With dancing, again, we're in the present moment.
Yes.
So it still creates that dynamic, energy.
Yes.
Because we're dancing now. If we stood up now and started dancing, then we would dance, and we're being present. We're not dancing from last week. We're dancing right now.
Yeah. Dancing is another way of dynamic meditation, and it is a very powerful tools to live into the present moment awareness, because remember, when we dance, we shake our body, we move our body, So basically what is happening, just for example, if I'm sitting in my house and collecting the thought of the past or the future, so basically I'm collecting the thought of all kinds of the past of the future into this moment. So now we need to outlet of such kind of the energy. So jogging is one of the way to transform the energy of silent into the energy of dynamic, into the energy of dancing, into the energy of moving, to the jogging. So as soon as we dance, we shake our body, we move our body, and then we feel tired, we feel relaxed, and we can go for sleep, and we can calm down. And you will see all kinds of the chattering and the wandering of the mind it doesn't exist, it is disappeared. So this is the laughing or smiling or dancing meditation.
So anybody that's watching this video
Yeah.
that likes the idea of laughing, or better still, Sanjeev dancing, I think they need to comment, and then I think we need to see how many people we get, and then we can do a dancing meditation,
Yes,
Sanjeev.
yes,
We
dancing.
can do a live dancing meditation. People can. So you have to give us a thumbs up, or you have to tell Sanjeev you want to see him dance, and we'll get him dancing, and we'll all do a meditation together.
Yeah.